Hey guys, it's Brock here from East Coast Powersports Adventure. Welcome back to the channel, and thank you very much for clicking on the video. Really appreciate it. If you don't mind, hit us with a like and a sub. It really helps us with the algorithm. Doesn't cost you guys anything. As always, huge shout out, huge thank you to Jen Landry and Torque Motorsports for allowing me to do this. Without their support, I wouldn't be able to do all this stuff and bring you these videos, guys. All right, so today we're down on the Pink Rock Beach. We're doing a Pink Rock Beach run. It's on the Bay of Fundy. And we're out with Gary and his Outlander. We're out with Brack Jr. He's on his ATV. We're in the Defender Limited, Mrs. Brack and I. And we're just out to have a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's a hot, beautiful summer day. We're sitting here looking at the backdrop is the Bay of Fundy in beautiful New Brunswick, Canada. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Check it out.
So, funny little story. I had the action camera mounted to the triangular window that's on the side, the driver's door. And anyways, long story short, we were in a bit of a tight trail on the way down to the Pink Rock Beach, and it got knocked off, but I didn't notice at the time. Mrs. Brack was actually trying to connect the cameras, and it wouldn't connect with our remote that runs all the cameras at the same time. And that happens a lot, actually. So it's usually just a dead battery. That's what we assumed it was. We got down to the beach. Mrs. Brack went to change the batteries, and she gets to the door. She got a battery in her hand. She gets to the door, and the camera, the mount, and everything has been knocked right off. So anyways, we went and looked for it. You know, we drove up another trail. Gary, Brack Jr., me, drove up another trail. Couldn't look for it. Was really bummed out, but we finished out the day on the ride. When we got home, I texted my buddy Mitch from 506 Side by Side and ATV, told him what happened, and he said, hey, he goes, you know what? I'm going to go out and have a look for you. Go back to the trail. I told him what trail it was on. He goes, yep, I know exactly the trail you're talking about. And he went out there, and you're not going to believe it, guys. He actually found my camera. Not only did he find my camera, he went down to the beach, got some footage. He got some footage of a porcupine on the way out. And yeah, like I just can't believe it, actually. Anyways, huge shout out to Mitch and his family, 506 Side by Side and ATV. Check them out. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate you going down there and looking for it and actually finding it for me, man. You're right. I do owe you, bud. Thanks, man. Cheers.
Sean lost his camera, told me he lost it, so we come down here for a hike. Seen this trail here, just seen this tree here in the trail. Looked down in the grass here, and there it was. Sean, now you owe us, bud. It's awful nice camera gear to leave laying on the side of the four-wheeler trail. We're just leaving Pink Rock here now. Got the shots for Sean. Now we're walking up the trail. Little wildlife for you, Sean. Where'd he go?